Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can insert calendar in Microsoft Excel. First, if you don't have developer tab, just from File, Options, Customize ribbon, from here, just check Developer. Okay, directly you get Developer. From Developer, click Developer, then from Addons, find more Addons. From here, search for Calendar. Enter Mini Calendar and Date Picker. Add. Continue. Good. Now we added the calendar. From here you can change its location. You can change some its properties. From here you can show and hide this icons. From this one you can highlight range of dates. First, from here, for example, I add a date. Let it be 9. Another date, let it be 18. Another date, let's be 22. Okay. From here I can highlight the ranges. Just select the range. Okay, you see directly it highlights the range. From this one I can add week numbers. You see here, that's the 27th week in the year, 28th week in the year. This one change calendar system. You see now started from Monday. If you click this one, it starts from Tuesday. From this one you can change the calendar theme. You see, from this one you can change calendar size. Also, from this one you can add the current time. If you see it helpful, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.